Managing hybrid cloud complexity involves navigating diverse environments. Integrating legacy systems with public and private clouds requires specialized tools and expertise. Bringing in the right experts will create smoother transitions. This diversity can complicate cloud management. Legacy systems often carry dependencies that complicate cloud integration. Businesses must evaluate these systems' roles and decide whether to update, replace, or integrate them. Ignoring these dependencies can disrupt operations and lead to revenue losses. Data growth and emerging technologies like artificial intelligence and the Internet of Things add complexity. By 2025, data is expected to double, and IoT connections will reach 3.74 billion. These advancements require robust infrastructure and skilled implementation. Cloud spending is rising, with $73.9 billion spent in 2021. Cost governance is crucial to manage expenses and prevent budget overruns. Establishing policies for virtual machine configurations and storage plans can help control costs effectively. Hybrid cloud environments face unique security challenges. Misconfigurations, unauthorized access, and insecure interfaces are major concerns. Organizations must implement security best practices across all cloud layers to mitigate risks and protect sensitive data. To address cloud complexity, businesses should create efficiencies, embrace hybrid models, and offload responsibilities to third-party services. Developing a comprehensive cloud governance plan and using containers can streamline operations and uncover cost savings.